Isang linggo matapos ang matinding baha sa ilang bahagi ng Ontario, ngayon lang sinimula ng pag-aayos ng isang apektadong residente matapos pahirapan umano ng kanyang insurance. May report si Teresa Redula.
Oh my God, yes, it smells like, you know, I can't describe it. It's like rotting everything.
Mag-isang nakatira sa kanyang bahay ang kababayang si Eva Bautista.
Kumusta na po? Okay, much better than when I first spoke with you.
Mahigit 3 dekada na rito naninirahan ang 77-year-old na unang naharap sa matinding pagbaha noong 2013. Pero nitong nakaraang linggo lamang, bumuhos ang ulan na nauwi sa karanasang hindi niya inasahan.
I said, good for the grass. I don't have to water. And then I said, oh, maybe I'd go check downstairs.
Ang bumungad sa kanyang basement, tubig baha mula sa drainage system.
It just came bubbling, just came up from nowhere. You can just see the water going up like that.
Sa loob lamang ng ilang oras, lampas paa na ang tubig baha sa basement ni Bautista. Kumulubot ang wood flooring. Nasira ang paneling pati na rin ang ibang kagamitan.
At first, just my daughter and I, we just piled everything on top of each other.
Matapos ang isang linggo, ilang ulit nakipag-ugnayan sa insurance si Bautista sa tawag at email. Pero umabot sa puntong hindi na raw siya sinagot ng adjuster.
With the power and authority that you have, and this is exactly what I emailed her. I have it on my email. Could you please tell the contractors to start cleaning up my place, because I said I have asthma and I'm coughing. And I have coughing spells. I said, I don't want to end up in emerge. There's only me. I'm a senior widow, senior living alone. Hopelessness. And I get very emotional sometimes. You can't depend on your insurance, really, if you need the help. But you need it, so you pay for it.
Nakausap din namin ng ilang kapitbahay ni Bautista at sinabing sa tagal ng kanilang pag-iintay para makarinig mula sa mga insurance providers. Sila na lang mismo ang umaksyon para simulan ng daan patungong restoration.
Claims are just starting to come in now. So there have been a lot of claims, and it is a significant event.
Ayon sa Insurance Bureau of Canada, posibleng malaman kung magkano ang kabuuang insured damages pagkalipas ng 45 araw. Pwede rin daw makipag-ugnayan sa Claims Manager o Insurance Ombudsman kung nauuwi sa wala ang insurance claim.
I think old people should know that when you have insurance, you have to be very sure that you know what to expect and you know what you're covered for. Otherwise, you're just gonna be waiting and waiting and waiting. And no one will be there for you.
Payo ng Insurance Bureau para sa mga nakatira sa bahaing lugar.
Make sure that you have water damage coverage. Not everyone has it. Some people may have chosen not to buy it.
Huwebes, umarangkada na ang restoration sa bahay ni Bautista. Naanyay matapos ipagbigay alam sa insurance na bibisita ang Omni Filipino sa kanyang tahanan. Teresa Redula, Omni News, Toronto.